The question is for workforce training, are there any good practices from regions such as China or South Korea on how to gain a trained workforce? I don't know if you have any experience, but I thought I'd try.
Okay, ladies first, or should I get started?
Go ahead, Manfred.
Okay. Okay, I cannot relate to South Korea, but of course we talk to our colleagues in China how they are tackling the problem, our company internal colleagues. And also there we didn't have any additional ideas or insights compared to what we are doing or what we have done right now to support this industry, support to these university courses. And this is not existing yet in China, but I think we are globally, we are one of the first ones tackling that in that perspective. And again, South Korea, I cannot add anything.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Yeah, I would say with South Korea, we do know that they're building up their large molecule biologics capabilities, and contract manufacturing does exist through Samsung Biologics. And I think I'm not aware of any specific engagement, but we do know that there are emerging markets in Asia, and it's just a matter of how can we have that partnership and train up that workforce if the idea is to also make products internally through our manufacturing networks as well as with CMO partners.
Mm-hmm.